In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your accounts to bank transactions in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly connect your accounts for more streamlined accounting. To get started, open up QuickBooks. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. Once you're on the home page, your first task is to locate the menu. You'll typically find it on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this menu will reveal a list of options. This menu is your gateway to all QuickBooks functionalities, so you'll want to become familiar with navigating through it. Now, from the menu, look for the Transactions option. When you click on Transactions, it will lead you to a detailed overview of all your financial movements. This section is essential for tracking what goes in and out of your accounts, making it a critical tool for keeping your finances in check. Next, within the Transactions section, you'll notice an option that says Bank Transactions. Go ahead and click on this. This will take you to a page that specifically deals with all transactions related to your bank accounts. Here, you can see everything that's linked and manage your bank-related activities directly. Once you're on the Bank Transactions page, you're ready to link a new account. Look for the option labeled Link Account. Clicking this will prompt QuickBooks to guide you through the linking process. It's important to have your bank account details on hand during this step to ensure a smooth and efficient process. As you proceed with linking, you'll typically be prompted to select your bank from a list of popular institutions. QuickBooks supports a wide array of banks, so yours will likely be quick to find. After selecting your bank, you will be asked to log in using your bank's credentials. Ensure your login details are correct to avoid any disruptions. Once logged in, QuickBooks will securely connect to your bank, allowing it to access your transactions. You'll want to verify that all the details are correct, and once confirmed, QuickBooks will start importing your bank transactions. This feature allows QuickBooks to automatically pull your financial data, which eases the process of managing finances and helps maintain accuracy. And there you have it. Your accounts are now linked to QuickBooks' bank transactions, enabling seamless financial tracking and management. With this setup, you can monitor your spending, track income, and keep an eye on all your financial activities from a single platform with minimal effort. Thanks for following along, and be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials and financial tips.